Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Lydia, and today I want to show you how to make taco mac, an easy, lazy, one-pot meal. Not the restaurant taco mac that's out here in the South that's like everywhere. Never been to it, by the way, but I don't even know if they serve taco mac. I don't know. If you know, let me know. But if you guys like one-pot meals like me, that are easy, that are simple, that come together beautifully, and you can feed your people, because that's what's important at the end of the day, you know, to have all the food like easy in one meal, one pot, with not a lot of dishes. So if you guys like that kind of stuff, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys like. Give me recommendations. Give me a like. And let me show you how to make some easy taco mac. If you're lazy, but not really lazy, you just want to feed your family, let's get to it. It's pretty easy. I didn't say that right, but let's get to it. To start off this taco mac recipe, go ahead and add oil to a large pot. Add in your ground beef and cook it until it is browned. I'm just cooking it over medium heat. I'm using my wooden spoon to break up the meat, and I really like this meal because it is all in one pot. I'm using one wooden spoon, and if you're making this at home, it should be even more simpler. So it's just basically dumping everything and going on, and it comes together really nicely and quickly. So it comes together probably in around 30 minutes or so. So once your meat is nicely browned, kind of like this, you want to add in pretty much all the rest of your ingredients. So I'm going to be adding the pasta of my choice, and then I'm going to be adding in my black beans that I've actually rinsed. So make sure you rinse them. You don't want that starchy stuff. And my corn. I went ahead and rinsed my corn as well. Then add in your green onions, your favorite salsa. So what I did was I dumped this jar in, and then I added some water and I added the rest of it. Listen, I'm not wasting any of that salsa. Add in your taco seasoning and your pepper flakes. I like a little bit of kick in my tacos, and then add in your chicken broth. This is actually just water with 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon. Then go ahead and give this mixture a nice mix. Now this, if you haven't realized, it's like a pasta that's supposed to taste like tacos. So I love tacos, I love pasta. It's supposed to be a combination of the best of both worlds, if you know what I mean. Now, if only I could do pasta with pizza, that would be so amazing. Once everything is nicely combined, add your lid and then just wait until this mixture comes to a boil. It shouldn't take that long. Then once it's at a boil, kind of like this, or at a simmer, you want to set your timer for 12 to 15 minutes, and you want to start stirring this constantly. So you could tell that the pasta or the mac is still pretty soupy, so it's not quite done yet. But as the time goes on, by 12-15 minutes, you should see that the pasta absorbs all of that liquid. It should look something like this. It should smell delightful, and all of that liquid should be incorporated into the pasta. And once it is like that, you can take it off the stove and you are pretty much ready to serve it up. So you can pretty much serve it up however you like. Make sure you add some salt and pepper. It does need it. Mine definitely needed more salt than I am adding right now, so I actually had to go back and add more. Just taste it. Make sure everything is perfectly seasoned to your taste buds, and then you are ready to pretty much serve it up. So you can serve it up like this, but I would really recommend that you do add in some fresh cilantro. Now, we are fresh cilantro lovers around here. I know cilantro is not for everyone. I know there's cilantro haters, so if cilantro is not your thing, just don't add it, but it really does bring out the flavor, and it gives you, some freshness to the taco mac, especially because it is a pasta and we are trying to make it like as taco-y as possible, if that's even a word. So I went ahead and added some into the pot, gave it a good mix, and then you are ready to serve it up. So you can actually use whatever toppings you like. You can change it up, or you can not add any of the toppings if you don't like them, but just go ahead, serve yourself up a big plate of this taco mac. And then you can add all of the toppings of your choice. Now I'm going to show you what I like to serve mine up with. So I'm going to be adding some cheddar cheese on top. I actually added a lot more than what was on film. Then I added some more cilantro because I love cilantro, some sliced tomatoes because I like tomatoes in my tacos. And then I went ahead and added some avocados because avocados are always a good idea. Also, add some sour cream if you have any left. I had a little bit left over. And then your taco mac lazy one-pot meal is all finished. Make sure you make this meal your very own. If you don't like the toppings that I chose, make them your own by choosing whatever toppings you like, whatever you like to serve your tacos with, and just enjoy it. It's perfect for a weeknight meal when time is just slipping by and you're super busy. I get it. We are all extremely busy. I hope you guys enjoy this meal. try to use something that is better than a fork, because listen, this fork was not grabbing everything that I wanted it to, so just enjoy it. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. I know not everybody makes it this far. They kind of click off, so I see you people, don't you worry. But seriously, if you guys made it this far, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this meal. Hopefully I inspired you to make your own taco mac. It's delicious, full of flavor. It will feed your family. Everybody will be happy. You'll be happy because it's an easy meal, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Hit it down below. It's a big red button. Fulfill its purpose. And if you haven't already, that is, give me a like, give me a comment, and I'll see you guys next time, and check out my other videos. See ya.